Hey guys, so good afternoon to everyone. So it's a beautiful weather and it's about to rain in few minutes. So I thought why don't I just record a video, okay? And this video is purposefully for my own practice, okay? Have you ever wondered, okay, what it would feel like if you get that opportunity to actually conduct an event of your choice, a dream event which you will be conducting. At the same time, you will be designing the whole thing right from the idea to the proper execution. Okay, I think that would be a wonderful opportunity if given. So just tell me out, okay, what are your plans? But for me, for now, I have a plan in mind, okay, and I wanted to share it. It was just part of a planning, and definitely I want to share it with all of you, okay. What is the first thing, okay? First and foremost thing, before you execute a plan, you need to have a roadmap. At the same time, you need to have ideas, okay? So my basically idea and my field of niche is health, sports, and all the fitness industry. But I'll be majorly focusing on mental health, especially the global mental health problem. Okay, we are all aware, and I continuously tell all of you that global mental health problems are rising on a daily basis, and the mental health problems are the new epidemic, and we need to take actions against them. Okay, so that is why a conference, if given an opportunity, I will definitely be creating a huge conference. There will be multiple conferences, but if given the opportunity in Dehradun, definitely I will be planning for a conference. A conference, how does it look like? A conference that will have psychologists, the top psychologists, the expert psychologists from the field of mental health as well as mental psychiatry. At the same time, there will be public health expert, mental health advocate, the stakeholders like the community workers, the NGOs, the educational institutes. I would also say the media personnel. All these are the stakeholders of society, and together only we can I believe we can collaborate together to bring a change, because change cannot be brought alone. You need the effort, you need the unity, you need that vision, and you need the leadership. Okay, so I think the conference will be one of those events that will bring all those stakeholders together. Okay, and we will be definitely discussing about global mental health, but at the same time the solution definitely will be local. Okay, the local effort, local government, local people, if made aware, definitely if local communities, local society, local peoples are mentally healthy, definitely the society is healthy, the state is healthy, eventually the country is healthy. And when all the countries are healthy, the continents are healthy, the globe is healthy, and when the people are healthy, they are more productive, they are more at peace. There's much of happiness in the world. So that is why it is very important to create a better society. To be better society, definitely will always be beneficial for all of us. So with that in note, okay, a global conference definitely seems imaginative, but at the same time it is possible. Okay, you just need an idea, you just need execution. So before all those things, okay, before all those ideas, you need a team, you need a dedicated team, a dedicated committees which will definitely execute the plan as well as help you with those plan. Okay, because you cannot be doing it all alone. And before planning the team, you need to have all those people out there sharing the same vision. Even those sponsors, okay, sponsors are the backbone. You cannot be conducting such a huge level conference, such a huge level event without sponsor. Okay, and we need to where do we get sponsors? Okay, sponsor basically should be those who share the same vision, who share the partnership with you in an effort to make a global change as well as creating a better society. It may be anyone, it may be a bank, it may be an NGO, it may be a government institute, it may be a private firm. So we need to figure it out. Like who are those people, who are those institutes that has the same vision, okay? And global mental health and health sector or the health problem are one of those mentioned in sustainable development goals, okay? If catered to, definitely we can have a better society. So with that, once the sponsors are figured out, you pitch the sponsor. Okay, sponsor have to join you. I've already mentioned if you don't have vision, definitely sponsor will not come out. Okay, because there's directly no monetary benefit out of this conference. I've already mentioned, but the awareness created, the level of expertise, the level of exposure, at the same time the government involvement, definitely will make this conference a huge thing. And definitely the sponsor will get the promotions through banners, through advertisement, through media, and through all other platforms. Okay, so definitely sponsor will be getting lot of promotion, because this gonna be a huge event in my view. Okay, I could have created any superstitious thing, but I believe mental health, and as a field or as a student of mental health, I know this is a concern. And there are only few things people talk about geopolitics, but rarely people talk about global mental health. And we need the corporation, we need the awareness right from the local level to global level, and that will bring India to the world map again. Okay, when it comes to mental health field, that India is taking steps. Even there are a lot of countries out there in Western world who are facing a lot of global health crisis, global mental health crisis. And if India is taking such a huge initiative by conducting a conference, inviting global invitees, global top psychologists, top public health experts, top policy makers, okay, educationalists, and all the stakeholders, definitely this will be a grand event. And in such grand event, we all have the opportunity to learn. So apart from that, all those guests, all those who will be registering, because registration is a process. Okay, we're definitely not gonna uh, charge lot of, because it's an opportunity for all those uh, field experts. Okay, in the field of mental health, in the health sector, on the government or NGOs or community, to come up together in a single platform. Definitely the conference, the panelists will be the chief guest, or they will be the main speaker, but it is also an opportunity for all other to meet with the like-minded people and to share their vision toward a better society, toward a global healthy, mentally healthy society. So that was eventually the conference thing. Well, this is just an idea, okay? But actual implication requires first of all sponsorship. Then definitely this marketing team and promotion team will be promoting out all those things, okay? Whether through banners, through uh, whether it's banners, through social media advertisements, and a lot of other promotional things that can be done. There can be a lot of influencers in Dehradun and just around the world who can actually work on the promotional videos. So that was about marketing and promotions. Okay, apart from that, we have a lot of team, because venue management is one of the major thing. Okay, right now we are planning to do the same thing, the conference thing in Dehradun. So Dehradun is a beautiful city. We can choose a beautiful resort, I think hotel, okay, which will be large enough to fulfill, or I would say large enough to fulfill the demand of a large audience, because we are expecting people, we are expecting guests in large numbers. So that will definitely be a venue. But apart from the venue, there's a lot of things to be managed. Okay, all those invitees, okay, at the same time getting the follow-up from the invitee, receiving the invitee, looking after all the venue thing, location thing, setting up time and date and location. At the same time, okay, managing the food department and all other miscellaneous facilities that are part of all this event management. So definitely that need to be taken care, and we definitely have been assigning roles. Before we do all those things in actual plan, we will be assigning roles to different department ranging from registration department to marketing promotion to finance and budget, management team, to other volunteers, to anchor. Okay, anchors play an important role, and I personally feel I will be the anchor and the interview taker, and I'll be meditating the same conference. Okay, and that will be a great opportunity. And definitely Isaac is the global partner. Isaac is the one who is having that vision to create the conference, okay, in collaboration with all different stakeholders, all different partners, and all different sponsors. So that was the major thing, and I just wanted to share the same thing, that if given the opportunity for event management at a huge level, definitely I will try my best to create such an event. Okay, at the same time, at last, apart from all those things and timing management, after the event is successful, we will be meeting each other. We will be focusing on policy making, because government is also involved. And at last, it will be a follow up, and definitely a token of memorandum or token of love will be given to special guests, the panelists. And we are hoping to create such event globally most of the time. But right now, starting from Dehradun, because Dehradun is the land of opportunity, I believe. So with that, that was my plan for execution of plan. how we're gonna execute this event. So that was it, and the weather is getting great, and I think it will rain, and it started to rain. So with that, I would like to end. That was my plan for the management. Thank you. Bye bye.